In the grand theater of global commerce, the lifeblood of any thriving business is its ability to move goods swiftly and reliably. No matter the industry, no matter the product, one thing remains the same. Time is of the essence. In this regard, express cargo services are the unsung heroes, ensuring that your products reach their destination promptly and in perfect condition. Imagine an express cargo service that operates from China to Pakistan, door to door, with an efficiency that leaves no room for error. This is not just a vision, but a reality. A reality where your imports are handled with the utmost care and precision, from the bustling factories of China to the vibrant markets of Pakistan. Here's the magic of it all. This service isn't limited to large corporations. Even if your shipment weighs just above 30 kilograms, you can still benefit from the same high-speed, high-quality service. Now let's paint a picture of a world where your cargo isn't just moved swiftly, but also affordably. From the start of Ramadan to the joyous day of Eid, a special offer awaits. A generous 25% discount on air shipments, making your business operations not just faster, but also more cost-effective. The features of this express cargo service are designed with your needs in mind. Think of it as a concierge for your imports, taking care of every detail, from customs clearance to final delivery. It's a service that operates around the clock, ensuring that your cargo is always on the move. In conclusion, seize the day. Take advantage of the Ramadan to Eid offer and witness firsthand the difference a reliable, fast, and affordable express cargo service can make to your business. It's time to step into a world where your imports move as quickly and smoothly as the hands of a well-oiled clock. It's time to elevate your business to new heights.